Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do a mod. It's the STRC hubs. So I need to simply open up the package, get my Allen key. I got some Loctite. And I'm just going to place it in there, let it sit. While that's drying, I'm going to take the wheel off. Maybe a ratchet with the extension on it would have been better. The wheel comes off. In order to get this hub out, you got to be careful of these bars that's in there. That's the bar. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So I give a shot. There we go. That was easy, and the pin simply falls out. If you don't know what the pin looks like, I'll show it to you right now. Don't want to lose it. That's the pin. What you want to do is simply turn this to the 9 to 3 o'clock position. Place the pin back in and let it sit there. Let me just give you a demonstration of the nylon. And the aluminum. Get real nice and close for you. It seems that the nylon's got a little bit more of a wrapping around the bar than the aluminum. Aluminium. I apply a lot of pressure. And I start to tighten this down. I don't want to overly tighten, but tight enough that it doesn't come off. I'm done. I simply just put the wheels back on. You can put some Loctite on here if you want. Let's see if there's any Loctite on. There is, right there. I'll line this back on. I feel for the snap-in. I place back the nut. And I do all 4 wheels. Whatever color you like. I got blue. No reason. I guess because the car is blue. Hold the wheel. And don't want to strip it, but make sure it's tight. There you go. I'm happy. Not 80 foot-pounds. There is just a little play. You can almost hear it. You're not going to notice it. You want to shim it? Put some shims in there. I don't think these need shims. So there you have it. I hope this video is to your liking. Look for many more to come. Appreciate your time. The Traxxas Rustler 4x4VXL.